Hello, everyone. Today we'll explore how Dr. Joe Dispenza combines quantum physics and neuroscience in his project, The Power of the Subconscious, to help people unlock their potential and become, as his book says, truly supernatural. Dr. Joe Dispenza believes the hardest part of transformation is breaking free from yesterday's habits. When you choose to act differently, remarkable changes follow. Dispenza uses quantum physics to help people let go of old patterns and adopt new ones, speeding up change compared to traditional methods. He teaches that your thoughts shape your reality. Skeptics may doubt this, but Dispenza asks, if you truly believed in the power of thoughts, would you focus on what you don't want? Instead, you'd create a clear vision of your future and visualize it daily. Your personality, he says, is shaped by your thoughts, actions, and emotions. Typically, change happens through thinking about what you want, taking action, and transforming. For example, in health and fitness. You think about staying fit, plan your diet and workouts, exercise, eat well, and become healthier. This classic habit-forming process works, but can be slow. If you're enjoying this, give it a thumbs up to support the channel and let us know in the comments which city you're watching from. We'd love to hear from you. What if you could accelerate change tenfold? Dr. Dispenza reveals how neuroscience and quantum physics make it possible. Keep listening. Dispenza explains how the brain works, focusing on three key parts that drive the shift from thoughts to actions and change. First is the neocortex, the thinking brain. Unlike animals, humans have a highly developed neocortex that handles conscious thought. As you listen to this, your neocortex is processing the information. Surprisingly, thoughts in the neocortex can trigger stress, causing chemical reactions in your body. Thoughts can make you sick or help you heal. Second is the limbic system, the emotional center. It creates feelings through chemical processes. If you seek freedom or abundance, change starts here, even at the genetic level. The limbic system regulates your body's chemistry, influencing how you feel and react, teaching your body what your mind understands. It drives action. Finally, the cerebellum, the oldest part of the brain, is what Dispenza calls the home of the subconscious. It stores habits and automatic impulses, managing implicit memory, skills you use effortlessly. When actions become automatic, like brushing your teeth or driving, that's the cerebellum at work. It shapes 95% of your daily thoughts, defining your personality. Your brain generates about 60,000 thoughts a day, most of them repetitive, controlled by the cerebellum. How does Dr. Dispenza use the brain to create a new reality? Let's find out. Dispenza emphasizes that understanding these brain parts is worth the effort, despite the complex terms. The traditional habit-forming model, think, act, become, is flipped in his approach. For example, in fitness, you think about motivation, plan your diet and exercise, then act and become healthier. This classic habit-forming process works, but can be slow. If you believe that physics applies to all subjects, why not include change? Newtonian physics says the mind can't control matter, but quantum physics changes that. It studies energy and matter at the atomic level, where particles behave unpredictably, acting as waves or particles based on observation. This is the observer effect. Your mind influences matter. Studies show tiny energy particles shift under conscious attention, accelerating change. Brain scans confirm new neural connections form, reprogramming the mind. Ready to learn how Dr. Dispenza uses the quantum model for rapid transformation? This will shift your perspective. Unlike the Newtonian model, where thoughts lead to actions, Dispenza's quantum model works differently. You first embody a new reality, act as if it's true, then your thoughts and patterns shift. It's like fake it till you make it. Internal changes shape your external world. For example, to be happy, feel happy inside, act in ways that support it, and your thinking becomes positive. This is faster than waiting for external events to spark internal change. The quantum model is natural, like how children feel joy without reason. As one thinker said, change how you see the world and the world changes. If emotions trap you in the past, you recreate the same reality. Habits are automatic thoughts, actions, and feelings. By the age of 35, 95% of your behavior comes from subconscious programs, like code running a computer. Only 5% of your actions are conscious, driving your pursuit of health, happiness, or freedom, but your body often follows old programming. How does meditation help Dr. Dispenza rewrite subconscious programs? Let's dive in. Dispenza suggests meditation to move beyond analytical thinking, which separates the conscious and subconscious mind. Meditation isn't just relaxation. It's a tool to reprogram beliefs and habits. Practices like visualizing your future, feeling gratitude, and using affirmations access the subconscious. In alpha or theta brainwave states, your mind slows, opening a window to the subconscious like accessing a computer's operating system. Neural connections are pathways for information in the brain. Repeating thoughts or actions strengthen these pathways through neuroplasticity, like building wider roads for information. Activating new connections form new habits, reshaping your thinking and behavior. Dr. Dispenza shows how small internal changes lead to massive external results. Don't miss this. Dr. Dispenza's quantum model requires inner transformation. New habits create new synapses, altering your brain structure. Meditation and visualization strengthen these connections. Your consciousness is like a flashlight, illuminating your world and guiding your thoughts, feelings, and decisions. Research shows how your perception of situations affect your body and emotions. The energy you emit shapes your reality. To change your reality, change your energy. Problems are opportunities for growth, as Eastern wisdom teaches. At a higher level of consciousness, you see possibilities that were once invisible. Trial and error are part of spiritual growth. Thanks for listening. If this inspired you, give it a thumbs up and share in the comments which city you're from. We're curious to know. Subscribe to catch more videos about Dr. Dispenza's work and share your experiences in the comments to inspire others. See you next time.